First of all, being an enthusiast, I wanted to have the best session and get the best results. Then, as a studio owner, I wanted it to be the easiest to operate and reliable. And now as a designer, I want to show you how I came up with these ideas. Let's come inside. When I first got into the business, there was one company designing machines, Mechotech. I love them. Taking the same amount of cubic feet from a corner unit, I created 2 rooms. 2 rooms is very important. No matter how good your treatment room is, it's always better to have a pre-chamber here, because the enemy to a cryotherapy chamber is number 1, moisture, and number 2, ambient room temperature. The pre-chamber stops ambient room temperature from entering the treatment room. You get in there, you spend about 30 seconds letting the heat be removed from your body and all the ambient room temperature adjusting in here before you move into the treatment room. Regardless of how cold your machine gets, to get a good cryotherapy session, the most important thing to do is get cold. Now, our human bodies, we walk around at an exterior temperature of anywhere between 88 and 92 degrees. Why would you want to take more heat sources into that room? Not to mention, more people typically means moving around and dancing. Again, like you'll see in my how to do a session properly, getting in there and staying still is the most effective way to get cold. That's why creating the same amount of cubic feet and putting it into a dual chamber would be more effective. Having an aggregate room to therefore walk into this room. Secondly, I put what we call saloon doors in here that are free-flowing, easy to go back and forth, not hard to pull on and easy to move. I am a big Apple fan. I love everything to do with the company, and I love their aluminum finish, and I think it looks beautiful. Also, I like the idea that my customers can take this beautiful finish and make it their own. I've seen many of my customers wrap it, put stickers, change the colors, put lighting all around it, create their own look, their own identity, their own branding. I don't want them to put a Trident in and think it has to be my machine there. I want it to be theirs. It was very important to me as a studio owner that I could make my machine my own. When I first started designing the machine, I wanted to come up with a way to turbo the cooling system. And being a Midwest boy, growing up in Michigan, I remember wind chill. And so I wanted to devise a way to put wind chill in the cryotherapy machine. We did that with a blower system located right above the window here. All it does is take the nice cold air off the coil and put it onto the person. When I first brought this up in late 2018, early 2019 in the development stages, I was met with wind chill isn't cold. Wind chill doesn't really have anything to do with it. Well, now many other companies are doing it, and I love it because I do believe that wind chill is a safe way to get a cold skin temperature. The engine here, 99% of everything in this engine, first and foremost, you can buy at your local refrigeration company. There's about 7 pieces on my entire system that are privy to us and things that we design on our own, but I thought reliability is the most important thing. When you own a studio, telling your customers that your machine is down is a no-go. We all know how addicting cryotherapy is, and we also know how disappointing it is to tell our customers that it's broken. That being said, designing an engine that you can buy almost all the parts at your refrigeration company was key. Easy to fix, easy to get to, and reliable. Also, you can tell it's very quiet. It's running right now. I don't know if you can hear it through the microphones or not, but it's 100% running, cooling this machine right here. Every single move that I do with this machine, every single thought starts with a cryotherapy enthusiast. I want a good session, and everything falls back to making sure that your clients are getting a good session. Number 2, a studio owner. I have to make sure the machine is reliable. Good session, reliable, is the 2 most important things that me as a machine designer can do. Just like Elon Musk says, who I listen to all the time, always be improving your system. I will always be improving this system. It will never stop. Every single day I fix it, I run around the country and I update all my customers. So there you have it. Most of the things that I thought of when I was designing this machine.